Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Formosa Fantasy, and today I'm bringing you another makeup video. So today I just feel like putting in some makeup, and that's all it is. I'm using a palette that I always use on my brides, but I'm not be doing a bridal look. I'm just using a palette. And what I'm gonna do, I know I want some like orange brownish type of thing, but let me not ramble. Let me just get on with it. I'm gonna do my brows off camera and come right back, and then we just get right into it. So the palette I'll be using today is this Royal Beauty palette. This is the 35O palette. It's a really neutral palette. It has like cool tones and some warm tones, orange, browns. You know, it's perfect for any bridal look, any soft glam, like any look can be created with this. It doesn't have to be what I'm doing right now. All right, so I'm taking this color right here, and I'm just gonna be starting to map out the shape that I wanted. All right, as I said, I didn't know what I wanted to do here. I knew just I just knew I wanted to do something creative, dramatic. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm just creating like a floating wing right here, and I'm just going back in with the same color with a smaller fluffy brush, and I'm just, you know, blowing it out. All right, ain't nothing special right here, we're just blowing it out. All right, be sure to follow that line. Now taking this orangish color, and I am be putting this right on top of this. I'm using my Morphe M506 brush, and I'm just going right on top, making sure that everything has a nice seamless graduation from the dark leading into the light to the brow bone. So now I'm just setting my brow bone area because I don't want it to be any more intense, and I'm just taking that lighter orange shade. Same with the same Morphe M506 brush, and I'm going right on top of the orange that I did before. You know, we got to go back and forth. So I'm going back in with the first color, and I'm just going underneath. Now we need to deepen it up because we want some depth. All right, so I'm taking that darker brown shade. This is a more cool tone shade than the other brown, which is a warm tone. And I'm just going right underneath the first line that I created. And I'm just, you know, making sure everything blends well. And, you know, we got to go back and forth in between each color because, you know, we want that nice graduation. We don't want to see that harsh lines and see where everything starts and stops. All right, so this is all I'm doing right now, going back and forth. So my lid area had some like creasing, so you know, we got to do that. Now going in with this a medium cool tone brown shade, and I'm just creating a like a C with this in where my inner tear duct is. Okay, in the inner third of my eye, I'm just creating a C because listen, we're going dramatic now, we're going all out. So I'm creating another small C at the end, and then, you know, creating like I'm gonna do a wing. So now I'm taking that color again, the first color, and I'm just making sure that the edges of my C is really diffused. All right, going in with these two shades because I didn't want it to be too harsh, and I'm going back to make sure it has a seamless blend and graduation. All right, so as you can see, I did not cut my crease right here. Yeah, I didn't, but I should have. But it's all good, everything came out good in the end. So yeah, so you know, we got to go back, make sure our line is very defined with the color again. And yeah, so right now, this is where the struggle was. I ain't lying, because I wanted like a defined line right here, but I didn't want to mess it up. So I was very careful in doing this. Yeah, I was very careful, but trust me, it was a struggle. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking that is that bone color? I don't know. It's like a tan color. Let's say that it's a tan color. I'm gonna be putting that right in the center of where I cut my crease right here. And then, you know, we gotta go back in with the colors that we did before in the end, because we did cut crease. Yes, so we gotta define it a little bit more. But I did the reverse on the other end, and on the other side of other eye, and it gave me a different look. But listen, either way works. I didn't show that part, but either way works. So I'm just, doing the fine details with a smaller brush, and now I'm using some concealer on this brush, and I just wanted to make my negative space yeah, negative space a little bit. I was getting a little bit frustrated and tired, so yeah, it was a struggle. Trust me, it was a struggle. So yeah, this is it. Just be careful while doing that, because this thing go left real quickly. So I'm taking that shade right there, and I'm just using it to set my concealer, because I wanted it to be more like a skin tone type. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just gonna be doing my face off camera and the other eye. And yeah, so I'm going back in with a cool tone brown, and I'm just going underneath my lash line right there, and I'm just putting it also like creating like a small ring, like, yeah. So yeah, I'm going on my waterline with a crayon. It's an eyeshadow crayon in gold. And yeah, my lips gonna be neutral, nothing fancy, nothing fancy. And that is the end of my look. Look at that drama, creativity, like what? Thank you guys so much for staying till to the end. I hope you guys really enjoy this creative look that I did for you. Listen, going back to the creative element. If you need any bookings from me, just go in my description box and send me an email, or go on my Instagram and send me a DM. And yeah, so don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, follow me on all my socials. And until next time, bye beauties. And look, we almost hit 1,000.